Hi, my name is Sarah Romeo, and in this video I'll be guiding you through how to access and search for articles using the General OneFile database. We'll start here on the Hudson Valley homepage at hvcc.edu, and first we'll locate the link to the library page in the black bar across the top of the page by clicking the word library. This will take you to our library homepage. And if we scroll down, you'll want to find the purple box that says Find Sources from the Dwight Marvin Library, and click there. This will take you to the homepage for our library resources. And we're going to look for the tab that says Database Finder, and you'll find it in two places, here across the top of the page and also below here. So we'll click this tab, and you'll see a link pops up that will launch the Database Finder right here. And the first thing you'll see is the A to Z listing across the top, and today we're looking for General OneFile, so let's click G, and that'll automatically filter all of the G databases that start with that letter, and you'll see General OneFile right here. So we'll click that. We'll have to log in with our HVCC username and password. This is the Gale General OneFile homepage, and you'll see that it defaults to the advanced search option, which I think is probably your best bet to use for most searching when you're doing research. You'll see you have a few lines here at the top of the page where you can type in your keywords. You can also switch it from a keyword search if you want to, and perhaps search the author name or maybe even the name of the work. There's a variety of other options here as well, but for now we're going to stick with keyword searching. You also have the option to change your search strategy using the Boolean operators, if you're familiar with those, to add or subtract different search terms to your keyword search. And if we scroll down, you'll see that the advanced search also gives you a few other options. You're probably always going to want to keep this box checked. You always want the documents with the full text of the article. You may need only peer-reviewed journal articles, so maybe you want to click that. You can also add the publication dates. For example, I've got here, I've added that we want anything after the year 2015, so within the last 5 years, and you can adjust those as well. You also have the option to search by document type, publication title, subject, lexile measure, though I doubt you'll need those options, but they are available to you. So let's scroll back up and perform a search so I can show you what that looks like. So let's say we needed to write a paper on racism in America. So let's type in the word racism since that's one of our main keywords. And we can add the word America down here. So that way, oops, first we need to spell it right. So we're searching for racism and America in the same document. So let's hit search. So here are our results for our search in General OneFile. This is what the results page looks like. You'll see that it breaks it down into categories, so it doesn't give you a comprehensive list of results. It started us here with all of the magazine article results for racism and America within the last 5 years. But you'll see we also have 136 academic or scholarly peer-reviewed journal articles, over 3,000 news articles, images, and videos as well. You'll see that if you wanted to refine your search, you can actually do that over here on the right with these different buttons to change your search terms. So let's say we did decide we wanted something that was academic or scholarly. We'll click on that. So now we have 136 from academic journals. And let's say we wanted to make sure that it was a peer-reviewed journal article now. So we can actually click this checkbox on the right and it reloads, and now you'll see all these articles should have a black check mark next to them that says peer-reviewed. So you'll see that Gale General OneFile's search interface actually helps us out because we can see this first one is a brief article and a poem. We're probably not going to want that. This one's a book review. Again, that's also not going to work. So it helps us weed out some of these articles right off the bat. So let's see. Here's an essay right here from the Journal of American Ethnic History. So once you pick an article, this is what the article page looks like. You have the title at the top, the author and the date, what journal it's from, the length, and the document type. This is an essay. The publisher is the University of Illinois Press. and you'll see that you can scroll down to read the article itself. And here it is, right in the page. So this is quite a lengthy article. And you'll see at the bottom, I scrolled all the way to the bottom to show you that's where you can get your citation for MLA or APA if you click there. So those are always at the bottom of the article. And if you scroll back up, you'll see the citation tool is also up here at the top with little quotation marks. That'll pop up the box for you to copy your citation. You can also download the article, you can print it, you can get a link to it that you can save or send to someone right here. So that's all available right here in General OneFile. So I'll go back to our search results and just show you what another type of source looks like. Go back one more. If we wanted to look at our news sources and we wanted the newest news sources about racism in America, you'll see there's something from the Business Insider, just from August 18th, which is actually today, I believe. So we could click right on that and see an article that came out today. So that's a newspaper article. And there's your citation and all your tools. So that's a quick overview of how to use General OneFile, and I hope you'll find this useful for doing research for some of your work here at Hudson Valley.